Welcome to our channel where today, we're diving into the powerhouse of luxury and performance, the 2024 Audi RS7. Let's explore what makes this car a true icon. Stepping inside, the RS7 blends cutting-edge technology with refined craftsmanship. Premium materials adorn every surface while Audi's latest MMI system offers seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Under the hood, the RS7 boasts a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower. With Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, it accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling twisty roads, the RS7 handles with precision and agility thanks to dynamic steering and Audi's Drive Select system, offering customizable driving modes. Safety is paramount with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Meanwhile, the virtual cockpit provides customizable digital displays, keeping the driver informed without distractions. Visually, the RS7 stands out with its athletic stance, sleek lines, and signature Audi single-frame grille. Optional carbon fiber accents and 21-inch alloy wheels emphasize its sporty yet elegant design. Despite its sporty nature, the RS7 doesn't compromise on practicality. Ample cargo space and comfortable seating ensure that every journey is as enjoyable for passengers as it is for the driver. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS7 is a masterpiece of engineering, combining exhilarating performance with luxurious comfort and advanced technology. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe for the latest automotive insights.